Hello friends, welcome back to Yogita's All-in-One channel. So here I have got you a very beautiful and easy DIY. And can you believe that I have done just in 10 rupees? Yes. And if you have visited my channel for the first time, here I make videos on cooking, DIY, home decor, gardening and painting. So without wasting the further time, let's start the video. This DIY I have taken dried branches which you can get anywhere, and on top of that I am doing a glue paint. For this I am taking a white glue and adding some color which is brown color. If you want to keep a rustic look, then you need not to add any color. Dilute it with some water and paint it over the branches. Doing this will increase the shelf life of the branches as well as also add shine over the branches. I have done glue paint over the branches. Now coming to the next step. For this I have taken 1 mm A4 size foam sheet which is having a glitter on one side, other side it is plain. Firstly I'll cut small square pieces from this sheet. From a single sheet definitely you can get in between 60 to 70 pieces. The dimension what I have kept for every single piece is 1 inch into 1 inch. Here I have cut all the pieces. Now we will cut it in a particular shape. So firstly I have drawn it on the sheet, then we will cut it. So that's how we will cut it. Here I have cut all the pieces. Now comes the interesting part. For that you require an iron. You heat it up. After that you have to put the cutting on top of iron like this. You will see within 5 to 6 seconds this foam will start shrinking and it will start getting curved and form a cup kind of shape which will resemble almost like a flower. So here you can see this cutting is looking like a small beautiful tiny flower. Now we will adhere the flowers on the branches. I am using a strong adhesive. You can also use glue gun for adhering. This is how it looks at the end. Isn't it beautiful? This is a very easy and cost-effective DIY. You can also try this at your home and share your experience in the comment section. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share my video. Thanks for watching.